In this video, we will see an example of hash map in Java. A map is an object that stores association between key and value pairs. Given a key, you can find its value. Both keys and values are objects. The keys must be unique, but the values may be duplicated. First, we need to import Java util package. And in our main function, we can create a hash map which has key of type string and the value also string. And now we will put elements to the map with its put function. And we will give person first name and last name as a key and the value some ID. We will add more values to map. Add another key and value pair. Now we can get a set of the entries. Set. This entry set method return a set containing the map entries. Now we can use for loop to display the set. Map entry describe an element, a key value pair, in a map. And now we can print key and values by calling map entries method get key and get value. And to print the value, we will call map entries method get value. Now we just need to run the program. You can see the key and value here. In this video, we learned to create HashMap objects and put values and also iterate through a HashMap. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.